Welcome to the tutorial for BIM Wizard, Part 3.
Once we've selected a system to export to our project, we have two options to make this happen. First is the Save to Revit button. This will add our selection to a queue that allows us to continue searching through our results. When we return to Revit, the systems will generate and be available in the wall library. Here are the two inner wall systems we just selected. The downside to this option is that we have to find our systems after we've imported them. If we want to avoid that, then we'll want to use the second button, Draw in Revit. This button will also export your selected system, but when you return to Revit, the wall tool will engage with your selected system as the active wall. This also works with ceilings. However, it will activate the Ceiling Sketch tool and will need to define a ceiling boundary. If, instead of generating a system, we want to save it for later, we can simply right-click any result and select Save to Folder, then indicate which folder to save to. We can access those folders anytime by clicking the Folders tab. From here, we can organize our folder tree, send systems to Revit with the Save to Revit or Draw in Revit buttons, or even send a whole folder to Revit. If you are in the early stages of your project, consider using the Solutions tab to find suitable systems to get you started. You only need to select Building Class, Number of Levels, and Framing Type to receive a list of acceptable systems for various wall and ceiling categories, all tagged as Recommended, Most Economical, or High Performance. Just like the main BIM Wizard screen, any system here can be saved to Revit or your folders.